Hello students, I wanted to give you a quick video overview of the chapter 12 assignment number 2 on how to use the labels function in Microsoft Access. So what I've done is I've previously went on to our classroom website and I've downloaded the file. Once that file is downloaded, you should be able to double click on it and it will open up the database for you. So this is actually now we're working within our database. And from here, what you want to do is go to create and you can select labels. And this is going to allow you to choose the type of label you would like. So please review your textbook onto what labels should look like. I know that personally I like to include title, last name, first name, address, city and state, and zip code if we're going to be sending these labels onto an envelope to be sent out via mail. So once we can do that, we can go ahead and sort them any way we like them. And what we could see is we would like to see the labels as they would look printed. So here is kind of the way that it's going to look like. This is your actual preview of the labels. So from here, I like to have them sent to Word. So what you can do is you can just designate where you would like that. And I'm going to say I'd like to open the document once the operation is complete. So from here, I now have my labels in Word. Word for myself personally makes a little bit easier for us to print, and we can add some color or do anything we'd like to with that. So if you would submit me the Word document as your assignment, you'll be all set. Thank you.